This off-road car is an absolute blast for any adventure lover, and this was sent over from the brand for my honest review, and thank you to them for this collaboration. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more honest reviews. This RC car is built to handle rugged terrains with ease, whether it's dirt, sand, or gravel. Right out of the box you can feel the quality of its build, durable wheels with excellent traction, and the shock-absorbing suspension that keeps it stable even on bumpy rides. There are two AA batteries for the remote control, so this car is ready to run out of the box. One of the best features is its dual battery system. While one battery powers the car, the other can be charging, so there's no long wait time, just endless fun. The controls are intuitive and responsive, allowing for smooth maneuvering and fun stunts, which kept me and the family entertained for hours. The flashing body lights is real cool. I can't get enough of looking at this in the dark. One of the highlights is its impressive speed. It zooms across surfaces effortlessly and can take turns like a pro. And thanks to its sturdy design, it doesn't get easily scratched or damaged. For anyone looking for a high-quality off-road RC car that's durable, fast, and super fun to drive, this off-road car is a fantastic choice. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.